How's it going? My name's Liam Harrington. I'm at Marshfield Country Club as an assistant superintendent, and my grounds crew and I have been using the Arbortech for a little under a month with the sod blades and the wood cutting blades for tree roots. We have used it for edging cart paths, bunkers, irrigation boxes, irrigation time clocks, walkways, staircases, curbing, the list goes on and on. Every time we take it out of the case, we end up finding a new application that we're excited to use it for. This coming fall, we're going to try and, as a crew, use it to edge our bunker faces so we can have a crisp edge without compromising our white sand in the bunkers. The best thing about the tool is that it's no louder than a string trimmer, so for work through play on the golf course, it is huge. I love supporting a growing company, especially when they provide quality like Arbortech does.